Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Salesforce playground. First, navigate to Trailhead and locate your desired playground. Click Launch to open it in a new tab. If you're already in Salesforce, you can switch to your playground from the app launcher. This ensures you are working in the correct, isolated environment for your learning and development tasks. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. To launch your playground, simply go to the specific Trailhead module or project you are working on. You'll see a prominent Launch button. Click it, and your playground will open in a new browser tab. This method ensures you're always connected to the correct instance for your current task. Always double-check the playground name to confirm you're in the right place before you begin your work. Once your playground is open, it's important to confirm you're properly connected. Look at the URL in your browser. It should indicate a Salesforce instance. Also, within the Salesforce interface, you'll often see the playground name displayed, confirming your environment. This quick verification step helps prevent accidental changes in a production or incorrect org, ensuring you're always working safely. If you face issues connecting, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves login glitches. A stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth experience. Remember, playgrounds are designed for learning, so don't hesitate to restart if things get stuck. For more tips and resources, check the description below for helpful links and other deals, including information on the new Kindle Paperwhite. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.